Hello, everyone. Today we're tackling a topic as immense as the oceans themselves, plastic pollution. Imagine this. Every minute, the equivalent of a garbage truck's load of plastic is dumped into our oceans. Quite a lot, isn't it? But what does this mean for our marine ecosystems and our planet? Let's first understand what we're up against. Plastic is robust, lightweight, and it doesn't biodegrade. This means it can persist in the ocean for centuries before it starts to decompose. Fish, turtles, seabirds, many marine creatures often confuse these plastics for food, leading to fatal outcomes. So, where does all this plastic originate? Approximately 80% comes from land-based sources. This includes items like plastic bottles, packaging, and other disposables that end up in rivers and eventually the oceans. The remainder originates from sea-based activities such as fishing gear that is abandoned or lost. Here's the critical part. It's not just large pieces of plastic that pose a threat. As plastics degrade, they transform into microplastics, minuscule particles that are potentially even more hazardous. These microplastics can soak up toxins, which then make their way into the food chain, yes, affecting humans as well. However, it's not all bleak. Solutions exist and they begin with us. Minimizing our use of single-use plastics is a significant step. Choose reusable options like bags, bottles, and containers whenever possible. Recycling helps, but reducing and reusing are even more effective. On a broader scale, endorsing policies that restrict plastic production and usage is vital. We can advocate for increased investment in recycling and waste management infrastructure, particularly in high-contributing regions. Innovation is also playing a role. Researchers are inventing new materials to replace plastics, and engineers are devising methods to remove plastics from our oceans. And community initiatives like beach cleanups, educational outreach, and conservation projects are crucial in addressing this crisis. What actions can you take today? Begin by being more conscious of your plastic usage, educate others about the effects of plastic pollution, and engage with local environmental organizations. Every small action contributes to a significant impact. Remember, our oceans are more than just bodies of water. They are vital to global ecosystems and life. Let's commit to keeping them clean and thriving. As we continue our journey through the challenges facing our oceans, let's shine a light on the incredible innovations and the dedicated heroes fighting for ocean conservation. Across the globe, brilliant minds are turning their expertise to solve the plastic pollution crisis. One such innovation is the deployment of barriers in rivers that prevent plastics from reaching the ocean. These barriers are designed to be environmentally friendly and highly efficient at capturing waste, while allowing water and wildlife to pass through unharmed. Another groundbreaking approach involves biodegradable plastics. Scientists are developing materials made from natural sources like plants, which can break down much quicker than conventional plastics. These new materials could revolutionize how we package goods and drastically reduce the longevity of pollution in our marine environments. But innovation isn't just happening in labs, it's happening in our communities. Local heroes, such as volunteers at beach cleanups, are making significant strides. In Bali, for instance, a group called Ocean Cleanup Initiative organizes weekly beach cleanups, which last year alone removed over 10 tons of plastic from the coastline. These stories of innovation and action remind us that while the challenge is immense, the fight for our oceans is vibrant and ongoing. By supporting these initiatives, whether through donations, participation, or simply by spreading the word, we can all be part of the wave of change. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to help and continue our commitment to preserving the beauty and health of our oceanic worlds.